Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to create your very own 007 James Bond keychain. We're going to be using three programs to do that. One's going to be Corel Draw, that'll be to trace the graphic. The second program is going to be FreeCAD, that'll be to convert the graphic. And the final program will be Design Spark Mechanical. Okay, so first we want to open up Corel Draw. Go ahead and go File, New. Create a new 8.5 by 11 document. Click OK. We're going to go to File. We're going to go Import. We're going to import our 007 keychain. Click it. It's large, so I'm going to go ahead and scale it down. Okay, let's make it roughly 3. Okay, it's 3 by 1 roughly, so we'll go Control plus to zoom in. We want to click the graphic. With the graphic highlighted, we want to right mouse click, outline trace, detail logo, reduce bitmap. Go ahead and click OK. I'm going to slide over the top graphic. That's always going to be the one that's traced. Bottom one is the raster image, so we don't need that. We'll hit delete. We're going to go ahead and Control U to ungroup. I want to get rid of this trademark. It's small and could cause some problems. Now we're going to drag a marquee around the graphic. Control G to group. Okay, now we're going to go with the graphics selected. We're going to go File, Export. Export as a scalable vector graphic. We'll call this 007 logo. Save it on the desktop. Make sure selected only is applied. Export. We'll minimize this. We're going to go open up FreeCAD. This is a free program. If you visit FreeCAD website, you can be able to download a copy yourself. Go ahead and create new. Drag that over. We're going to click and drag from the desktop. We're going to make sure that SVG as geometry is selected. Now we're going to go Control A to select everything. We're going to go File, Export. Export as a steep. We'll call this 007 key. Save it on the desktop. Hit save. Now we're going to drag that over. Okay, now we're going to open up Design Sparks. Okay, now we're going to go File, we're going to New Design. We're going to go and change that to Plan View. Now we're going to create our base to put the logo on. So we're going to select the rectangle tool, and we're going to define rectangle from center. We're going to go click. I want it to be 3.25 long and 1.25 tall. We'll go ahead and click off of that. We're going to round the corners with our corner rounder feature. Go 0.324. Do the same over there. Okay, that's going to be our base. So now we're going to put a hole there to actually put our keychain through. So 0.225, that should be big enough. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and spin this. We're going to give it a little extrude. I'm going to pull this out to 0.20. Okay, we're going to go ahead and flatten that. It's going to zoom in, Control plus. Going to go ahead and give that a spin. We're going to round the corners, so we'll go ahead and pull. Triple click. Give it maybe a 0.04 radius. Going to go ahead and spin this around to the back. pull, triple click. .4. Now we're going to go back to the top view. Going to add a little, we'll get rid of that circle there, we don't need it. Go to the spin tool. Going to add a little fillet to that as well, so we'll go front and back, click pull, 0.3. Okay. Now we want to go to the views, view top. We want to click on that part of it. We want to go to file. We want to go ahead and change these types down to steep. We want to go ahead and get our 007 key steep that we saved earlier and hit open. Go ahead and click OK to this. Control minus. We want to drag this out of the way. Okay, now we're going to click off of it. We're going to drag a marquee around everything. We're going to come up here to this fill command. We're going to fill it. Now we're going to go drag a marquee around it again. We're going to move it into place. So we'll go like this. Pull that down a little bit. Okay, that's pretty good. So we'll go ahead and get rid of that bottom copy. We don't need it anymore, so hit delete. We're going to go ahead and spin this. Going to go ahead and select pull. We're going to select everything that we need to pull. I just want it to be a little bit like 0.09, 0.90 in extrusion. Okay, now we'll go ahead and spin this. Okay, this is going to be our keychain, our 007 keychain. We'll go ahead and go to top view. Okay, there's our keychain. That's going to end today's tutorial. If you found anything useful from this video, please consider liking and subscribing. And thanks so much for watching.